we'll continue with errors today. Types of errors, and we'll discuss the details of errors and some important definitions. Let me first clear the difference between mistakes and errors. Mistakes are the faults which can be completely removed by skillful observation or by using the best of the best apparatus. I'll repeat, error and mistakes are two important or two different words. Mistakes are the faults which can be completely eliminated by using skills, by using best quality instruments and all. Errors are also faults, but which cannot be eliminated completely even by using utmost care and the best of the best apparatus in the world. Okay? So errors are the faults which can only be minimized, they cannot be completely eliminated. Errors are basically of two types, something called as systematic error. Systematic error and something called as random error. What is systematic error? Systematic error, it can only be minimized. Just remember, mistakes can be completely removed, errors cannot be completely removed, they can only be minimized. Systematic error is the error which arises due to fault in the observation or fault in the measurement. So, systematic errors are the errors which arise due to fault in observation or fault in measurement. Systematic errors are further classified into first, instrumental error. Systematic errors are classified into something called as instrumental errors, something called as error in uncertainty in experiment, and the third is, which depends on the person, which is called personal error. I repeat, errors are the faults which can only be minimized. Errors are classified into two categories, systematic error, random error. Come to systematic error. Systematic error is the error which occurs due to uncertainty in observation or uncertainty in measurement. Systematic error is further classified into three, instrumental, uncertainty in experimental skills, and personal error. Instrumental error, uncertainty in experimental skills, personal error. Come to instrumental error. The word itself gives you meaning. Students, what is instrumental error? The error which occurs due to fault in the setting of instrument or fault in the calibration of instrument. Instrumental error is the error which occurs due to uncertainty in the calibration of instrument. म्हणजे काय, जे तुम्ही इन्स्ट्रुमेंट वापरताय तेच जर फॉल्टी असेल तर त्याला इन्स्ट्रुमेंटल एरर म्हणतात. आय रिपीट, instrumental error is the error which occurs due to faulty calibration in the instrument. For example, ammeter, simple example, the ammeter measures current. जरी करंट फ्लो होत नसेल, ammeter faulty असल्यामुळे ऑलरेडी 0.5 एम्पियर दाखवायला लागला विदाउट सप्लाय, करंट सप्लाय, मग तो एरर झाला त्याचा. आणि तो एरर प्रत्येक रीडिंग मध्ये येणार, प्रत्येक अशा एक्सपेरिमेंट्स मध्ये येणार विच वर्क ऑन विच विल यूज दॅट ॲमीटर. दॅट इज कॉल्ड फॉल्टी कॅलिब्रेशन ऑफ इन्स्ट्रुमेंट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, थर्मोमीटर. आता तुमचं बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेजर करण्यासाठी थर्मोमीटर वापरतो. समजा 0 डिग्री खाली आलाय, 0 डिग्री बरोबर इट्स नॉट मार्क्ड ॲट 0 डिग्री फॅरनहाइट. स्टुडंट्स, थोडं अप अँड डाऊन झालं असेल तर तुम्हाला असं वाटेल की मला तापच नाही, ॲक्च्युली यू आर फीलिंग फिवरिश, बट स्टील यू फील दॅट there is no fever. So that is instrumental error, faulty calibration of instrument. Correct? For example, the uncertainty in zero setting of instrument. If the zero is not exactly showing, if the pointer is not exactly coinciding with zero of the scale, एरर ऑकर्स. बरोबर तो पॉइंटर 0 ला दाखवत असेल बेस्ट. सुरुवातीला जर 0.5 दाखवत असेल विदाउट करंट, instrumental error. First, uncertainty in experimental skill. What is this? This error occurs due to faulty setting in the instrument. Faulty setting in the instrument म्हणजे काय? For example, you are measuring volume of a liquid. And it's necessary to note the direction of pressure, your direction of force. समजा if you are holding the flask in a tilted position, instead of holding it properly in a vertical position, आडवा पकडला त्याला, मग नॅचरली हाईट मेजरमेंट मध्ये फॉल्ट आला, प्रेशर मध्ये फॉल्ट आला. सो दिस एरर, दॅट इज एरर इन uncertainty in experimental skill arises due to faulting setting of the instrument. For example, to measure volume, if the volumetric conical flask is not exactly held vertical but in a tilted position, तर तुम्हाला व्हॉल्यूम मेजर जे होणार ते एका साईडला जास्त दाखवणार आणि एका साईडला कमी दाखवणार. कळतंय? इफ यू आर नॉट एक्झॅक्टली होल्डिंग इट वर्टिकल अँड इफ यू आर होल्डिंग इट इन अ टिल्टेड पोझिशन, डेफिनेटली द रीडिंग विल बी रॉंग. दॅट इज अनसर्टन्टी इन एक्सपेरिमेंट. मग पर्सनल एरर. पर्सनल एरर म्हणजे आम्ही आणि तुम्ही. whoever is performing the practical, if he has no skills, if he is handling the instrument carelessly, if he is not taking the observation, busy chatting with the friends and busy taking the reading, then whatever error occurs is called as personal error. I think the word itself gives you the meaning. Okay, I'll repeat. Errors are of two types: systematic, instrumental error due to faulty calibration in the instrument. For example, calibration in zeroing of the instrument. बरोबर पॉइंटर जर 0 स्केलच्या 0 वर दाखवत नसेल तर काय उपयोग त्याचा? लाईक दॅट. अनसर्टन्टी इन एक्सपेरिमेंटल स्किल. स्टुडंट्स फॉल्टी सेटिंगच इन्स्ट्रुमेंटचं चुकीचं असेल then what will happen? Uncertainty in experimental skill. For example, you are holding a conical flask, tilted position आणि व्हॉल्यूम मोजताय, चुकणार. Personal error, carelessness of the observer, carelessness in handling the instrument, error or what you can say, no idea about conducting the practical. त्याला माहितीच नाही आहे, सगळं चुकीचं करत चाललाय. That is called as personal error. ठीक आहे? Apart from this systematic error, apart from all these error, तुम्ही समजा teacher will use best of the best instrument. Done. Will hold it with utmost accuracy. Done. आणि असा आपण स्टुडंट अपॉइंट करूया who is very skillful in performing practical. Still, though you are trying to minimize this error, still some error is introduced. What is that error? Due to the changes in the internal and external factors while conducting the experiment. What is that? Like, समजा करंट सप्लाय घेतलाय, व्होल्टेज मध्ये फ्लक्च्युएशन्स होत आहेत, यू कांट हेल्प. प्रेशर इन द रूम चेंजेस. तुम्ही मला कसं टीचर रूम मध्ये जे प्रॅक्टिकल रूम आहे तिथं प्रेशर चेंज झाला, कसं? फॅन ऑन केला, गरम होत आहे, प्रेशर वाढला. फॅन बंद केला, थंडी वाजते, प्रेशर कमी झाला. Pressure changes, temperature changes. So these changes in temperature, pressure change, voltage fluctuations which take place while performing the practicals, they're not in our hand. Such errors which occur due to changes in the internal and the external factors like changes in pressure, changes in temperature, voltage fluctuations which take place continuously, that is called as random error. म्हणजे still if you use best of the best instrument, perform the practical with utmost skill and with utmost care without doing any carelessness, still some errors arise due to internal and external factors which are not in our hand. They are called random errors. Simple. Students, now we will discuss some easy, very easy definitions. Something called as mean value. School level la average value केले. Like what is the average of percentage of the 10th standard? टीचर म्हणाले around about 90%. म्हणजे त्याच्यात कोण आले? Who are below 90 and who are above 90. त्याला mean value. समजा if A1, A2, A3 and so on are the values of the measured readings taken during experiment. तुम्ही readings घेतले A1, A2, A2, A3 and all. Then the mean value is given by the average of all the measured average of all the measured reading. If you have taken some n number of reading, the average or the mean of all the measured readings is called mean value. Then important absolute error. Students हे exam लेता हाँ. Absolute error. What is absolute error? Absolute error delta A1 दाखवूया. Is the difference between the mean value and the value of each measured reading. Mean value and value of each measured reading. Like delta A1 is equal to हे magnitude म्हणजे काय टीचर पॉझिटिव्हच व्हॅल्यू धरायची. समजा मीन व्हॅल्यू इज लेसर देन द फर्स्ट रिडिंग. तुम्हाला मीन पर्सेंटेज 90 आले, एका स्टुडंटला ऑलरेडी इट्स 98%, मग नेगेटिव्ह आला ना. इफ यू आर पुटिंग बार लाईक दिस, that is called magnitude, which indicates that you are supposed to take only positive value. कळतं? Similarly, delta A2 will be what? The difference between the mean value and the value of each measured reading. That is called absolute error. Third, average absolute error किंवा mean absolute error. To be more precise, दोन्ही एकच. Mean absolute error. It is the average of or the mean of all the absolute errors. Absolute error number 1 कुठचा? Delta A1 plus delta A2 plus असे किती आहेत? n readings आहेत. Delta AN last plus घालायचे इथं. Divided by n. That is called mean absolute error. Are you okay? Then you discuss a very important definition. Relative error. It is the ratio of the mean. आता mean absolute error आपण काय करूया? Delta A absolute mean लिहूया इथं. Mean absolute error आणि A mean. It is the ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value. Relative error is the ratio of the mean absolute error to the mean value. That's it. If A1, A2, A3 are the values of the readings taken during an experiment, mean value is the average of all the values. Absolute error is the difference between the mean value and each measured value. Like delta A1 is A mean minus A1, delta A2 is A mean minus A2 and all that. If you take the average of all these absolute error, it is called mean absolute error. The ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value is called relative error. And what is percentage error? It is a relative error multiplied by 100. Meaning delta A mean upon simply A mean multiplied by 100. Job is over. कळतं? एवढं करायचं. Done students? Okay. Clear concept आता? Yes. Students एक point सांगतोय. We are reaching the end of this topic also. I'll begin with second. Problems pending ठेवते हा. बघूया कसं conditions suitable होतात तसे classes घेऊया. Bye for today.